Alright, so we're back talking about TryHackMe today. We're going to talk about Give 5, Get 5. So I have a referral link, going to find it down in the description. There's a link directly. Click on that and buy a subscription. I don't really think it matters how much you buy for, but you're going to get 5, I'm going to get 5, so we both help each other in a way. Now, I'm not at the moment subscribed to TryHackMe, but of course, if I want to go premium, I could go ahead and pay for it, but I rather want to do it the way that I help you, you help me. So please use my referral link. I'm gonna do more TryHackMe content if I get premium again. And yeah, that's really just about it. I also did some surveys for you guys to give me some ideas about whether you want to see more Hack the Box or TryHackMe content, stuff like that. And I do get a lot of, interest on Hack the Box, also a little on TryHackMe, also some on Burp Suite, the Portswigger Content Academy. And I think all of them are really good. I've been there. I did most content on TryHackMe. I haven't done that much on Hack the Box because I kind of felt it was, not really following up to my TryHackMe content that I was doing. But, talking about all this kind of thing kind of reminds me of that, everything has a price. And, Hack the Box is a bit more pricey to what I understand. I'm not really going to put money into it, so I'm only going to do free tiers, whatever they call it. On TryHackMe, I want to say, if you want to help me, use my referral link. I will, at some point when I get enough, I'm going to buy a access for a year. I think it's about I don't know what it is now, but I think it's like 100 quids or something, $100. But only 10 guys need to 20 guys, if you guys need to use my referral link, and then I can get it, but please want to help me out with referral link. And I want to spread the word. I also posted it on LinkedIn. And I really feel that this is a good way for TryHackMe to actually acknowledge that we can help each other, but also for some of us that create a lot of content on YouTube. And I want to look at myself as a content creator now, because I have so many videos of TryHackMe stuff, and I really want to say that use the link if you want to help me. I will appreciate it, much appreciated. And I will say thank you already to the guy who already used it. I blurred it out because I don't really want to, post any names or anything. But as you can see, it says 5. Basically means that 1 already helped me. So thank you for that. Alright, so that's it for this video. I really hope you would like to click on the link, and see you again in the next one.